Okay guys, this is my ceiling fan. I'm not sure the brand. I think it's possibly a Hampton Bay ceiling fan. Well, the issue is that I couldn't figure out how to get this bad boy to go into reverse. I live in Florida and it's still really hot out in September, and I need it to go in reverse to push air down. So this is how I did it. Okay, so here's the switch. It's under the bottom basket or cover. See how it covers? You lift it up and it's under that cover. And then you just flip it up or down and it will reverse direction. So there you go. Good luck.